Let me show you how to merge text and image in Photoshop. First, unlock the layer and make it duplicate. Hide this layer. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J and hide front layer. Select behind this layer. Go to Select menu, click Modify and choose Expand. Give the value 5 and press OK. Go to Edit and select Fill. Choose Content Aware and press OK. Press Ctrl+T for remove selection. Add new layer front of this layer. Click here and choose Horizontal Type tool. Follow these settings. Scale the font size from here. Adjust the text accordingly. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T for transform. Right-click here and choose Perspective. Click and drag like this. Duplicate. Drag it to top layer. Click here and fill 0. Click here and choose Stroke. Follow these settings. Press OK. Select the both text layer